How to make $100 trading stocks. What's going on, guys? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube. And today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I made $100 profit. You can see it down here, right where my mouse is. $100 profit today, day trading, stock options. I traded the SPY today. And guys, if you look at my entry and my exit right here, you can see I was only in this trade for 1 minute today. So that's $100 in 1 minute. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So let's switch over to the charts here and we can get right into it, okay? So this morning, I'm watching SPY, which is an S&P ETF, and I'm trading the stock options of it. Today, I'm going to be trading puts, which is basically just shorting the stock. And yeah, let's get right into this trade, okay? So the market opens, and we have a small push up right to this same resistance point right here that we had pre-market, and we start turning over. So basically, we failed to move higher, which is a good indication that we're going to move down. But now, here's the real key thing here. If you look at the NASDAQ, same thing happened with the NASDAQ. We opened, pushed up, came to this resistance, and then we started coming down. But if you look at this big drop here, this actually happened on the NASDAQ before it happened on the SPY. Now, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to highlight this red candlestick right here, just that one candlestick. And if you go down to the bottom of the screen here, you'll be able to see what time that was at, okay? So this was at 9:33. This big drop here was at 9:33 on the NASDAQ. Now, if I go back to SPY and look at 9:33, you're going to see that that drop hadn't happened yet. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more just so you can see exactly the move. See, 9:33 is here on the SPY, okay? So we're seeing from the NASDAQ that the NASDAQ is going down, and it's going down pretty significantly hard, while the SPY still hadn't moved down yet. Now, I probably would have taken this trade regardless just because it was a break of support here. But I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So we have this support being built right at this level here. So we can go ahead and draw this out. Nice little support here. And I figured it's going to break the support and give us a nice push down, which is going to be great for a short. But since this big drop happened here first, I was able to get in just a little bit earlier today. So I actually got in when it's still like trading about this level, just anticipating that we're going to break down, and I actually was able to get in before the break of the support. So I had a nice push down here. Let me go back to my trades. I'll show you exactly what I got in. I got in at 9:33 at 79 cents per contract, and I got it at 9:34 at 99 cents per contract. So 20% profit there, guys. Very easy. And I just want to add in, I just wanted to get out of this trade, basically. I wanted to get my $100 in 1 minute and get the heck out of there, get my quick 20%. So I put a limit order out at 99 cents. This thing went all the way down to like $1.20. So I could have been up 40% on this trade had I not sold too early. But that's really the beauty of the anticipating this move, seeing it happen on the NASDAQ first, so I can get in earlier on the SPY to anticipate that big drop. So I didn't really take full advantage of this drop today, but definitely had a good move on it today. And this is a move that anybody can make, guys. So I made $100 trading today, 20% profit. Let me just say I only put $500 in this trade. Now, we could trade with a heck of a lot more money than that, honestly. You know, I could put thousands of dollars in this. But it's all about how much you're willing to risk. It's all about what you feel comfortable trading with. Today it was, for me, it was 5 contracts, which came out to about $100. But I just want to show you guys that anybody can start doing this, and anybody can make money trading in the stock market. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please drop it a like. You know, drop me a comment or something. Support me. Help out that YouTube algorithm a little bit. And if you guys want to join a Discord for stock traders, I have one. You can go ahead and add my Discord username right here. Shoot me a direct message, and I'll send you the invitation to the Discord. We've got over 200 members now of stock traders. We all share our ideas. Definitely a good place. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. And one thing I'm going to promise you guys is that you're going to learn something from every video that I post. You will get some good information. You're going to learn something from it. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.